Hello, fellow Rosarians. We're on the home stretch now. This is the announcement for our Edmunds giveaway. We did a spotlight on Edmunds 2 days ago and talked about the company, and I asked you all to take a look at their website and see if there was anything that you were thinking that you might want to buy, and check out the obelisks and the gloves. So when I've asked you in the past to take a look at somebody's website, whether it's One Love or Dodd, and they're coming out with a new website, you guys are used to giving me the feedback for what you find that might be amiss. And so it was really nice in this case that we were able to provide feedback to Edmunds with the errors that you guys found. It says a lot about the attentiveness of Rose Geek. So an error that I made, and it was brought to my attention, is there's free shipping if it's over $100. So you get that free shipping up until February, and then it kicks over to $15 per shipment, whether you buy 1 rose or 200 roses. So my error, I apologize. So you have to spend over $100 to get free shipping. So let's go ahead and get into the drawing and see who our 2 winners are for that really pretty top cream rose. So the first winner is Rohini Acharya. Our second winner is Melody A. Ratliff. So congratulations to our winners. If you would, just reach me through my Rose Geek email. It's in the description. So I hope that you'll join me for the last giveaway that we're going to do tomorrow. I think it's going to be fun, and there might be an Evelyn in your future. Thanks so much. I'll see you tomorrow.